Welcome to another video of Makwala Agri. So guys, as I've received this question many times and I didn't have an answer to it, because even myself, I didn't know, man. I didn't understand how I was gonna deal with it. So I always avoided this question, but today I'm actually gonna answer the question. So the question it was, how do we deal with the sneezing of your chicken when you put a new wood shaving? And what I have discovered is that our wood shaving will normally come with a little bit of dust. So all you need to do is to save the dust from the wood shaving before you give your, let me bring the camera close, before you actually put, or before you put your wood shaving in your chicken house. So all you need to do is to save the dust from the wood shaving before you actually put it in your chicken house. That's how you actually prevent the sneezing of your chicken from this dust that the wood shaving comes with. So today I'm gonna try and treat it, and I'm gonna try and save the dust. So one of my friends told me about this trick, and I'm gonna use it and see if it really works. So I'm alone, I have no one to help me with this, so I'm gonna be using my baggie to save the dust. And it's true, there's a lot of dust coming off. So yeah, one of the reasons why a chicken always sneeze after putting a new wood shaving is because of this dust that we have on our wood shaving. You see it? This is the dust that actually makes your chicken to sneeze every time you change your bedding, or every time you put your chicken, your chicks in your house, and they will sneeze, and people who didn't know what's the problem, why are they sneezing. Even me too, I didn't know, but a friend of mine told me that you need to actually save the dust from the wood shaving and you'll be fine. So thanks my guy for the trick. I'm seeing it now, and I'm seeing the reason, because there's a lot of dust here. Like, there's a lot of dust, and this is the dust that actually makes our chicken to sneeze most of the time. So I'm here trying to save it and see if our chicks will stop sneezing. Yeah, so I'm using my baggie to support me in saving this dust, and there's a lot of it coming off me. Jesus, I was supposed to have put in a mask on, because wow, it's a lot. But yeah, it's true guys, this trick works. Look at this dust. So that's the reason why our chicken always sneezes, it's because we don't save the dust from the wood shaving. After we receive this wood shaving, automatically we put it in our chicken houses, and then this is the reason why our chicks will sneeze, and we ended up having chicks that are sick because of the flu, because it will happen from the dust that comes from these wood shavings. So guys, you have learned something today with me. This is the purpose of this channel, is to share free information with you. So yeah, even though I'm going through the most, I still share valuable information. I'm not stingy, because I'm a good guy, I'm not stingy. I remember when I was young, my grandmother used to serve the thing, mabele, white maize meal. So my grandmother used to serve those, and then they would put it in the bags, and then They will take it to the store where they sell porridge, and then we will get a free pack. So yeah, those tricks works, guys. We have a lot of work to do. I have about 20 something bags of wood shaving. So I believe if you want to stop the sneezing in your chicken house, this is how you do it. Welcome to another video from Koala Agri. Remember to subscribe, share, comment and like. You are not at the wrong channel, you are at the right channel. Here we learn tricks in farming. Today's trick is how you stop your chicks from sneezing after putting a new wood shaving or when replacing the wood shaving in your chicken house, or when you place them as chicks. The first day in the arrival in the house, they start to sneeze. This is the solution. This is how you do it. You save the dust from the shaving and you're good to go. Look at this, guys. This is something that we don't want in our chicken houses. This is the dust we don't want. Wow, it's a lot. So this is the reason why our chicken always sneeze and get sick. So this is what we want in the chicken house. This is what we don't want. So let's continue doing the work, and then after a year, straight to the chicken house. I want to increase the space for those chickens. Even though they're still dying in high number, I still do take care of them. I'm not a heartless person. I still love them. They're still my chickens. So far the number has dropped. So the mortality in the chicken house has actually dropped. We're starting to pick up 1, starting to pick up 0 in a day. Yesterday we didn't pick up any chick. Today we got 1. Yeah, so the mortality started to drop now. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks we will have 0 mortality every day. Eventually we can sell and get our cost of production back. As long as we still have chickens, I believe we can actually get the cost of production back and then do another second. So now we're gonna take this wood shaving back to the bag. How are we gonna do this so that it works simple? See, working alone sometimes is a struggle. Okay, you should do it like this. This way it will be faster for us to take everything back in the back. So I'm using a sheet net to actually save the dust. Yeah, so this way it's gonna be faster. Hi, come on. Why is this thing not doing the things that it's supposed to do? See, now it's a struggle. Disadvantage of working alone. My friend is not here today. Yeah. I'm not winning, guys. I'm struggling. Send help, Profit. Someone come and help me. Sunday, others are chilling at car wash, washing their cars, listening to good music, drinking some alcohol. Some of us were here trying to make sure that people eat, trying to fight food security in South Africa, trying to protect the food security in South Africa, while others are enjoying their life. The life that we chose, you gotta know that it doesn't come nice. You don't have a day off, you work every day. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, we've lost some fuel, shit. Yeah, so now let's go to the chicken house. You know, they always tell me to buy what food, because whatever I'm wearing, it's good. So now let's go to the chicken house and increase the space there, and I'll tell you why I'm increasing the space. So we're done with our shaving. Now going into the chicken house to increase the space for our chicken. So one of the reasons why I'm increasing the space, even though my chicken have been 10 2 weeks, is because of the heat that we are having. It's very, very hot in Limpopo. So you will see when we get here. I'll show you the thermometer and what's the temperature inside our chicken house. These days, the guys, I have a thermometer. No biosecurity. No biosecurity measures. Take things serious these days. Shaving in. Dip your feet. Walk inside your chicken house. This is our chickens. Let me show you the thermometer. What's the temperature in this house? Look. Look how heavily they're breathing. I hope you can see. You guys read the thermometer. Can you see the red thing? It's around 35 degrees. So it's over. At least should be 32. So you can see that they are heavily breathing. And I've reduced some of the drinkers. I took the small ones and put it the bigger one. And then I've reduced some feed, also control the protein, so that we don't have water baby, because on this kind of temperature we're gonna have a lot of chicken dying from water baby. So I forgot my tripod. So guys, yeah, we are now in the chicken house. We are increasing the space. So I've taken this board. If you've been following me for a while, the reason why this board are like this is because I'm trying to make sure that there's enough flow of air going toward our chickens. So now we're going to be increasing the space that side. Yeah. So this is the disaster cycle that you guys know, and I was never going to document it, but because now we had a high mortality, which I felt like I need to share with you guys. We're gonna document it, and we're gonna have some weekly updates. I'm not gonna do it daily, probably weekly, but if we have something big to share, we will share with you on a daily basis. But if there's nothing to update on a daily basis, we're not gonna update anything. So right now, let me go and get my tripod so I can put my phone and continue showing you what I'm going to do. But yeah, our chickens are growing nicely, even though we had high mortality. And I told the supplier about the high mortality. They told me to get a vet to test my chickens so that I can give them a report. these people, guys. I have to give them a report. I don't know. So they're gonna refund me or what? They're not saying anything. So I'm not gonna do it. If they don't wanna refund me based on what I'm showing them, then it's fine. If they want me to do a report, they must go themselves and do that report. For me, I'll just accept the L and come back strong next week. Yep, I'm back. Let's continue with the work of the day. So there's no huge dust coming off from this. This is crazy. The dust that's coming off, it's not bad. This is crazy. This fix works, guys. So the dust that's coming here, it's not bad. It's not really bad. But I don't think the wood shaving would be enough for this space. I don't think it will be enough to cover the whole section that I want to increase my chickens to. And now I'm gonna have to be forced. It's either I'm gonna do another one, but I'm just gonna try put as little as I can over here, guys. This trick works, because even me, when I put in new wood shaving, I'll normally sneeze, but I don't hear any dust coming to my nose or anything like that. Let's check under this what's happening. Okay, you guys are settled. You're gonna need to refill this water, and this one looks dirty as well. So yeah, the tricks work, guys. Go try it and give me the result. So far I'm having a positive one, because even myself, I'm not sneezing like I'll normally sneeze when I put new wood shaving in the house. So I'm not sneezing at all. Wow, guys, no, these chicks were quality. Like the growth of these chicks, wow. I'm like, wow, they're so big. Look at this. Guys, if you guys didn't die in high numbers, we were gonna make money. Because I canceled the other ones because I didn't wanna go through what I'm going through now. But yeah, the quality was not bad. But I think, no, but others they look small, others they look big. What's going on here? I'll just try to balance this thing. Then we'll go and serve this one, and then come back and put. How are you gonna deal with this one? Because you're trying to make sure that, yeah, because you're trying to make sure that there's enough ventilation happening here. We're trying to make sure that there's enough ventilation happening. So that's it, guys. It works. It works. It works. It works. It works. It works perfectly. Next time when you put wood shaving in your chicken house, when you're trying to replace a wood shaving and you don't want your chicken to be sneezing and starting to have some flu and stuff, you don't want them to be sick from the wood shaving, I gave you a solution today. That was the solution that I actually got from a friend of mine. He asked me this question about what do I do with my wood shaving, because he has discovered this and tried it on his own, and it worked. I'm here in my chicken house. I'm not sneezing from this wood shaving, because normally when I increase the space. Like when I'm placing new wood shaving like this, I will sneeze a little bit. But now I'm here and healthy. Even my chicken, they're not sneezing. So guys, I think we are done. I'm just gonna refill the drinker and put it back. So thanks for watching another video of Makwala Agri. Yeah, this is still our disaster cycle that we are on. So we're supposed to start with another cycle this coming week. So we're gonna have 2 cycles which are 2 weeks apart. So this one they're gonna be ready on the 1st of December, and then we're gonna be having another cycle that was supposed to be ready on the middle of December to cover our December market. But yeah, we couldn't have the second one because this one was giving us problems. So we decided to pause a little bit because this is the second cycle that is giving us problems. So even the previous one, which I didn't document, it gave us a huge problem at the end of our cycle. So I decided that with this one, since it started very early, I decided to document it and show you that there is a bad side of things in farming. It's not always glory. Yeah, so we are facing tough times. So I'm gonna pause, even though some people said to me that I should not pause my productions, I should continue, but I cannot just lose money and keep on losing money. Sometimes you just need to pause and reflect and check some of the mistakes that maybe myself have done before, or maybe I just need to let my houses rest a little bit. I don't know, but yeah, just me, going through my own thought. I'm just battling with my mind. So, but what came to conclusion is that I'm gonna pause and then continue in the middle of December. So in the middle of December, I'm gonna start another cycle, which is gonna be ready next year January month end. So that's how I move actually. So mostly I will start my cycles in middle of December for January. Even last year I think we had one that I call it the crossover cycle. So yeah, we're gonna have another one even this year, guys. So let's go refill some water for our chickens, and we're also gonna put 2 big drinkers now, because the reason why I was putting 1 big drinker here is because of the space, plus because now we have a huge space that allows our chickens to move around. Yeah, we're gonna put another drinker. So far we have lost, I think, around 60 chickens. It's a lot, man. It's a lot. So I'm out of here.